You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. After a hectic week marked by new trade agreements and hawkish signals from the ECB, markets have paused. Investors are locking in profits and bracing for a series of critical events: policy meetings at the Fed, Bank of Japan, and Bank of Canada, U.S. non-farm payrolls, and earnings from major tech firms. Despite Trump's visit to the Fed and his criticism of Jerome Powell, market reaction was muted. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq remain on an upward trajectory, supported by overall stability. Still, caution prevails as the August 1st tariff deadline looms. The dollar weakened amid uncertainty around U.S. trade negotiations and interest rate expectations, posting its worst weekly performance in a month. Meanwhile, the Japanese yen gained nearly 1% this week following trade talks with the U.S. and a cut in auto import tariffs. However, a rate hike by the Bank of Japan remains uncertain. The euro continues its climb, trading near a 4-year high, supported by the ECB's pause in rate cuts and hopes for AU.S.EU trade agreement by August 1st. Amid global trade tensions, investors are increasingly turning to Europe's small and mid-sized companies. Their lower exposure to international trade and currency swings makes them more resilient to tariff-driven volatility and the rising euro. Stocks Europe's small and mid-cap indexes have outpaced large caps in returns, with investment inflows continuing for 10 straight weeks. Germany's fiscal stimulus and lower ECB rates are aiding recovery, setting the stage for a potential revaluation of smaller companies in the months ahead. The crypto market saw a sharp correction, with over 213,000 trader positions liquidated in just 24 hours and losses exceeding $730 million. Bitcoin dropped 2.6% to around $115,000, while Ether fell 3.3%. Altcoins were hit especially hard as leveraged positions were flushed out. Despite the sell-off, the Fear and Greed Index still signals greed, and some analysts remain bullish. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.